Hi everyone, I thought I'd do some meal prepping today. So it's the end of the holidays, we're all due to be going back to work and school. Say hello, Emily.
Hello.
So we're going to be heading back to work and school this week. So I thought that I would do some meal prepping today. We're also going to do a little bit of brownies, maybe. We're also going to be doing a bit in the garden, so I'm going to start planting in my veg patch today, so I thought we would take you along. Okay, so the idea is that we're going to do a little bit of meal prepping. I've already done a chicken, and the chicken's in the oven cooking, but I really like to make the most of the time and the energy when the oven is on, so I always like to put more things in the oven to make the most of it. So I'm going to do some roasted vegetables. I'm going to do some roasted sweet potatoes, and so I can have them with salads, I can have them as little side dishes during the week, so that I get myself prepared and ready for the week ahead. So come along and join us while we get ourselves ready. We don't want to go back to work and school, do we? We don't. What did you do? She's a burp. Lovely. So yeah, we don't want to go back to work and school, but unfortunately we have to, and we've got to get ourselves ready. So I've got my chicken, I've got my vegetables and sweet potatoes all in the oven cooking. I'm going to have a go at something now. I haven't tried it before, but I've seen it. I think it came up on my Pinterest. So what I'm going to do is have a go at doing eggs in the oven. So I've got this little mini muffin tray, and I've just got 4 eggs that I've taken out of the fridge. I'm going to do it like a little dry run and just see if it works out, but people are raving about it. So I've got the oven on at 180, which I would normally, and the instructions are that you just put them in the tin and then you put them in the oven for half an hour at about 180, and then after the cooking time you're meant to plunge them into ice cold water. I haven't got any ice, but I'm just going to put in really cold water and see if they work. So I thought I'm going to try it and I'll let you know how it goes. Right, so we're going to get the eggs out. We've heard them pop, haven't we? A couple of times. So, not sure if it's worked. Let's find out.
Hello. Ooh, a camera. Oh. Ah, hello.
Right, so I've got everything out of the oven, which is great. Not that happy about the eggs. I'll just show you how they turned out. So I've peeled them. Not huge. So lovely chicken, lovely. I've done the roast vegetables and the sweet potatoes, which would be great for this week, and I'm going to do a bit more prepping later on. But the eggs, so little few burnt bits from presumably where it's touched the sides, and then which one? That, look how rubbery. That's not looking great. So I don't know, I'm not sure whether I'm going to try that again. Maybe I need to read up a bit more about how to do it, but they just, I don't know, not sure we'll do that again. What do you think, Emily?
Yeah, I don't know. I can see in there.
Yeah, I know, just cooked it, got it out the oven. I was just going to say, this piece of furniture is actually used to be a changing table for my children when they were babies. So it's got 3 levels on it. It's also got, well, it's a little bit handy, it's got things that you can hang off it. And then on top I've got an old IKEA shoe rack. And what I do is I put my seedlings in the window of my shed, and then I can use that as another area to bring on my seedlings. It gets really warm in here, so it's a bit like a greenhouse. So I just put, once I've potted everything up on my changing table, I put things up on the shoe rack to grow, and it actually works really, really well. It means that I haven't got loads of plants in the house, loads of seeds coming on. And I do love growing from seed because it is so much cheaper, and I also like the children, you know, to see the process.